Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to disable direct messages on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on the Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy and Safety from the given option. Now go to the direct messages. Then turn off the Allow Message Requests from Everyone option. And you will disable direct messages on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and that you're able to disable direct messages on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.